With the vehicle in the drive position, push the drive button again to enter the manual shift mode. Shift ranges can be selected manually when the manual shift mode is engaged. In the manual shift mode, the shift range is displayed on the position indicator in the meter. While in the manual shift mode, pull the right side paddle shifter for a higher range. To shift down, pull the left side paddle shifter. Use 9th gear for all normal forward driving at highway speeds. Use 8th through 5th gear when driving up long slopes, or for engine braking when driving down long slopes. 4th through 2nd gears can also be used for hill climbing or engine braking on downhill grades. 1st gear can be used for climbing steep hills slowly, driving slowly, or for maximum engine braking on steep downhill grades. Do not drive at high speeds for extended periods of time in lower than 8th gear. This reduces fuel economy. To cancel the manual shift mode, push the drive button. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.